Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing your new default. I will go with Opera Mini Browser. When your new apps are ready, go into Settings right away. After accessing Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Apps. Then select Default Apps and click on one of those options. I want to change my browser apps, I have to click here. Tap on Opera Mini in order to apply it, and tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!